Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another edition of Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. We've got a lot to talk about today. So let's jump right into it. Comments box is open. Definitely say hi. If you got any questions with anything that I'm about to run down, feel free to drop them in. Remember, we'll be on VCTV here in just a few minutes with investors to break all of this down and so much more as well. A big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Make sure you check us out on latoken.com as well. All right, let's go ahead and jump into today's headlines. Big news to break today. State Street, the second oldest bank in the United States with $3.1 trillion in assets under management, also known as AUM, has signed up to use a new bank-grade trading platform for digital assets set to go live mid this year, 2021. What does that mean? That means that one of the largest and oldest banks in the United States is ready to start doing cryptocurrency or digital currency trading this year. If you didn't believe 2021 was the year to go, this is the year. Get ready. Next up, Citigroup, following on the banks. Citigroup has successfully completed a proof of concept POC for a blockchain-based cross-border payments in collaboration with the Inter-American Development Bank, or the IADB. Citigroup's this entire innovation, Citigroup's City Innovation Lab, and the IADB has enabled several disbursements from the United States to a recipient in the Dominican Republic using the LAC chain blockchain network, a proprietary effort that IADB, and again, for those just tuning in, that's the Inter-American Development Bank, something they've actually been building. And as a part of the project, the IADB deposits tokenized funds in denominations of US dollars into a Citi account, transfers the funds using digital wallets. IADB's blockchain specialists and the IACC or chain has explained this as well. So definitely check this out. Good job, Citibank. Next up, DraftKings. DraftKings has launched a fantasy golf contest with CryptoPunks as a NFT prize. Earlier this week, the company purchased DraftKings purchased the CryptoPunk and plans to put it in a contest in their daily fantasy sports, or DFS, contest for the Masters golf tournament taking place here in the United States. The contest will be called PGA Putt for a Punk. There's an entrance fee and a whole lot. And I see the reactions. I couldn't agree more. A lot happening with this, but just something fun and exciting for the NFT world and also the Masters golf tournament as well. Speaking of NFTs, if you didn't have a chance to check it out, Paris Hilton actually released a very nice article and guide to what NFTs are, why they're important, and something to be paying attention to now more than ever. If you haven't had a chance to read that, I highly recommend that as well. Next up, continuing the world of sports, Premier League Southampton Football Club has signed a new sponsorship deal with cryptocurrency-based betting operator Sportsbet that includes the option of being paid performance-based bonuses in Bitcoin. Now, remember, we talked earlier this week about the Sacramento Kings NBA franchise here in the United States offering not just the team, but their entire organization the ability to get paid in Bitcoin as well. So a trend that we're continuing to see here as well. NYDIG, Bitcoin investment firm, has raised another $100 million just 1 month after announcing a $200 million fundraise. The additional cash comes from strategic partners, including insurance firms, Star Insurance, Liberty Mutual Insurance, and other property and casualty-focused insurers as well. Now, this follows. Again, this is $300 million in the last 30 days, 60 days or so that the company has raised. But this also follows on the heels of Mass Mutual putting $100 million into Bitcoin as a part of their insurance package as well. So again, stay tuned as this industry continues to develop. Cream, CREAM, launches what they are calling the Iron Bank, a new protocol or protocol to protocol lending platform designed for flash and uncollateralized loans. I thought that would be a fun development fact for everyone out there. With that, that's the quick rundown of what's happening here today in blockchain and crypto. We've got a lot more, I'm sure, that's about to hit later today, but that's the breaking news and the headlines and the context that you need to get your day started. Make sure you check us out on, again, LATOKEN.com or on VCTV here in just a few minutes as we bring investors to break all of this down. You can also find me on Twitter as well to hear more of today's headlines and much more around what's happening around the industry. With that, see you back here in just a few minutes with more on VCTV. Bye, everybody.